Deltec stands for High Quality Electronics from Germany, for automotive, medical technology and industry. With digitalization, we are making our production fit for the future. We were challenged to make material availability and traceability in production both efficient and transparent. Without a central system, it was difficult to measure KPIs and OEE. And unstructured warehouse processes made production planning and preparation a real challenge. Together with Panasonic Connect and its partners B4C and Inovaxe, we have fully digitized our entire production process, from material receipt and warehouse logistics to SMT and THT production, all the way to final assembly. The software solution enhances our existing infrastructure, with machines supplied by Panasonic for more than 25 years. Our partnership with Panasonic marks a strategic milestone for us. It enables us to bring our vision from concept to customer to life with digital precision. In doing so, we not only create transparency for our customers, but also achieve operational excellence across our processes. A key part of this transformation was the introduction of an intelligent material management system. This is where the PanaSim software and the Inovaxe storage tower came into play. With various PanaSim Inovaxe functions, such as the Real ID, we can clearly label materials, track them seamlessly, and even reserve them, from goods received to the machine throughout the entire production cycle. The Pick by Light feature instantly shows our employees where the required material reel is located, saving time and reducing errors.
Our solutions have a direct impact on customer benefits. At Deltec Group, we see how our technology helps automate processes, create transparency and ensure quality, all in real time. Our new SMT line features high-precision machines such as the SPG2, the NPM W2, WX and DX. Together, they enable flexible and scalable production with outstanding speed and reliability. In addition, our odd-shape placer, the NPM VF, supports the new automatic THT production. The TBD software from our partner B4C is fully integrated into this THT line, ensuring reliable traceability throughout the process.
With automated KPI generation, we have full transparency of our production performance at all times. Metrics such as OEE and first pass yield are calculated continuously, providing a solid foundation for targeted process optimization and quality assurance, especially in highly regulated industries like medical technology and the automotive sector. The digital transformation at Deltec Group is more than technology. It is the base for future-proof production on more than 30,000 square meters. At the same time, it is a promise to our customers: maximum transparency, the highest quality and operational strengths today and tomorrow.